Imagine you and your pirate crew discover a treasure map. At first, everyone agrees to follow the same path, but along the way, problems start to pop up. One group of pirates argues the map is wrong and draws their own version. Another crew thinks the map should be upgraded with clearer steps. And sometimes, two pirates copy the same step at the same time. So now there are two versions of the map. Suddenly, the crew has more than one path to choose from. That's what we call a fork in the pirate map, a single map splitting into two different paths. Let's dive in. Think of the pirates working together with one big map. They follow it step by step, north to the palm tree, east to the rocks, dig for gold. But three different things can happen. One day, two pirates argue and redraw the map in different ways. Another day, the crew agrees the map needs an upgrade, so they all switch to a cleaner version. And sometimes, two pirates copy the same step at the same time by mistake, so for a short while there are more than one version floating around. In the world of blockchain, forks work the same way. A blockchain is like one giant treasure map with rules everyone follows. But sometimes the community, the people running and using the system, disagree or want to make changes. That's when the chain can split into two separate chains, each with its own rules. One group keeps the old rules. The other group draws new ones. It might be from a disagreement, from a planned upgrade everyone supports, or from an accident that quickly gets fixed. Forks are important because they can shape the future of the system. A small, accidental fork usually disappears fast. An upgrade fork can make the system safer and stronger. And a disagreement fork might create a whole new coin, giving people two different paths to choose from. In every case, the community decides which version of the map, or blockchain, continues forward. So now you know, forks aren't just pirate drama, they're part of how blockchains changes and grows. Here are the main terms to remember. Fork, when a blockchain splits into two versions of its rules. Upgrade fork, a planned change that improves the system. Accidental fork, a short-lived split that happens by mistake. Disagreement fork, when people argue and create different paths, sometimes leading to a brand new coin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.